Hey, my name is Aaron Marcus, and first of all, congratulations on your interest in acting and modeling and perhaps any work that you might have done. It's a hard business, and it was very difficult for me. I didn't have a mentor, didn't have any teachers, lived in a small area, just didn't have any contacts. I had to do everything on my own, and it took me years. And I spent a lot of money doing things by trial and error before I finally started to figure out how to have success in the industry. And that's why, because I know how difficult it can be, I love sharing information. And what I'm going to be doing in this workshop on March the 7th is teaching you the realities of how to have success. These are things, they're not theories. These are things that I do on a daily basis. And you can read about all the topics below, but everything from creating the right effective headshot that will grab the attention of industry professionals, how to create a resume with little to no experience, how to put together really powerful commercial shots. If you don't have an agent, how to find an agent. And by the way, I've got a great agent who's going to be at the workshop that you're going to be able to meet, Ashley Schmerling. She owns Meredith Models and Talent. She's a great agent, a wonderful person. If you already work with her, this will be a great opportunity to be able to sit and talk with her outside the office. But I'm going to be teaching you everything from marketing, dealing with contracts, how to shoot auditions from home, how to prepare before auditions. And the way that I've learned how to do this is not only by trial and error, but I also have been studying for many, many, many years. And look, I've been doing this full time for over 33 years. I've booked over 1,250 jobs. Maybe you saw my recurring role in House of Cards. I've worked on tons of projects, everything from Gotham, the ABC pilot, Hearts of Life, worked on a Jon Stewart feature film that hasn't been released yet called Irresistible, worked on Mr. Robot, hundreds and hundreds of TV commercials, commercial modeling ads. So look, if you are really interested in either breaking into the industry or learning how to take your career to the next level, don't do things by trial and error. Sign up for the workshop. I do have limited seats, so that way I can work with people individually. It's going to be so cool. We're going to have personal auditions. I'm going to be critiquing them for you, showing you techniques to use. I'm telling you, you will save yourself years and years of guesswork. Use the link below, sign up and register, be guaranteed a great seat, and I can't wait to work with you on March the 7th. See ya.